Hi, this is the tutorial for the defect test in the fault harness inspection mobile app. Let's get started. I'm using this on my laptop, and the first thing I'm going to do is just click go to test. Now there are two different game modes, the untimed mode and the timed mode. The timed mode, you see a timer that counts down from 2 minutes. At the end of 2 minutes, the game will automatically end and score your test. The untimed mode has unlimited time and the timer is counting up. Now, in both of these tests, the system will render 3 random defects on 3 different parts of the harness. It will always be 3, and your job is to find all 3 of those defects. So let's begin. We're going to start with the untimed test. Now, the first thing you're going to notice is that the UI on the defect test is a little bit different than the walkthrough. Most of the focus is on the 3D model of the harness. So if you want a walkthrough of actually maneuvering around a harness, if you check the later half or the second half of the walkthrough tutorial, that actually goes into depth in terms of maneuvering the harness view. But in this instance, we're going to assume that you've taken a look at that part and you've gotten used to moving the harness around. So I can already see a defect on the leg strap. So you can see here that we're seeing some broken fibers. We have gotten some feedback already where users want to actually be able to select the exact defect on the exact part of the harness. However, for this iteration of the app, we're just asking people to kind of mark the general location if they think they see a defect. So right now, there's obviously a defect, and I'm going to go ahead and hit mark legs. Hitting mark legs just tells the system that you've noticed a defect on the legs. Now it's pretty much that. You just keep going through on the different parts. So this is the torso section. I don't think I see any defects here. Same with the chest strap. The back strap looks clear to me here. And let's go through. Yeah, so you see rear support. The game will automatically end once you mark 3 things. Obviously, we haven't. If you kind of give up and you can't find what defect you're looking for, you can hit end game, and end game will just automatically end the game and score. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so you can see that we got 2 of the 3 correct. We located the legs broken fiber, and you actually click the text, it will take you back, and you can see, yep, this is correct. This is a defect that I selected. I missed a torso, specifically cut stitches on the right torso. So let's go and see what they mean there. There it is. So you can see that the right torso here, the stitches are a little bit cut. And this feedback here actually can help guide me to make sure that I can identify this in the future, but also helps make sure that the defects I did find are actually correct. So you can keep playing again. Each time you play, the game will be unique. So here you can already see we've got heat damage instead of broken fibers. I'm going to go ahead and mark that. Torso looks good. I'm going to keep going. Chest strap looks good. Yep, I can see some abrasion on the back straps already. I'm going to go ahead and mark the back, and this popped up again. Sometimes some of the defects will pop up again, but they will always randomize. I got all 3 correct. So go ahead and give this a play, give this a try. Once you're done with this and a walkthrough, please definitely fill out the feedback form on the website and try to fill and answer each question to the best of your ability. The better answers we get, the better informed we can in terms of fine-tuning and building a better product for you guys. So thanks. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial.